Yo guys.
Yo guys. Today,
Don't look at that.
we're gonna be unboxing a bag.
You guys think this is a joke? Or a game? No. No. See this? Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
Don't look at that.
Don't you dare try. Try to pull a fast one on me. Are you kidding me?
Don't look at that.
Oh gosh. Don't look at that, guys. Don't you dare.
Not supposed to look at this side of the package though, especially this part in specific.
I'm gonna read this out loud.
Undisclosed information.
P. Sherman, 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
So anyway,
ship us some merch, guys, to that address.
What we're
Send us money, otherwise we'll throw it away, guys. We don't care.
Oh, guys. So
fidget spinner.
We don't need this right now. Boom.
That was the fidget spinner, dude.
So yeah,
go get that. Okay, first, show them the brand name.
The Actionpie.
I think it's Actionpie. Just kidding, it's Actionpie.
So here's the Actionpie BM3. So let's.
In the arms of the angel.
Open it up.
Alright guys, let me open this up for him. He's having a hard time.
Okay, there we go.
So it's open now, and that's what you get. That was pretty awesome.
There we go. Alright.
We do this for you guys.
So, just for the memes.
So don't take us for granted, alright? We do this all for you guys.
So here's the Actionpie. Thank you for watching. I'd rate it 10 out of 10. And
10 out of 10
next video.
would recommend. And also check this out. Alright, see you guys later.
Boom. The Actionpie. It was just a joke. This is really the product. See you next video.
See you next video, guys. So we got here. Is this a user? Yeah, you got a user manual.
Oh, nice.
Oh, that case though.
So the first thing that comes in it is the user manual. It's a nice little, just small, clean booklet.
And it's even in English.
Wait, what?
It's in English. So if you guys are wondering, it's in English. All right, continue this. I'm gonna read through and see if there's anything that's like really special.
So anyway, the second thing that comes in, this is actually pretty nice. Apparently it comes with a 1-year warranty, just in the box. Didn't have to pay any extra for that, so that's actually really nice. And then the next thing you got here is this nice little felt case, just a soft case to be a case.
It's got some nice specs to it.
And then, actually, we won't do that quite yet. Well, yeah. So the next thing in there is this kind of like carbon fiber looking case, and this is actually a hard case, so that's better if you're going to be putting your earbuds, which is what these are, as you probably could tell by the title. This is what you'd want to use if you were putting them like in a backpack or a bag or whatever with other stuff that it could hit. And then here, which you don't really get with many earbuds at this price point, is a bunch of different earpieces. There's like 6 different combos of earpieces that come with it, so these should fit you like no matter what size your ears are. So that's actually pretty nice.
So far the English in this is actually pretty decent, except for this last paragraph here is a little bit concerning, guys. Single time to burn the headset time cannot too long.
What?
1 to 2 hours is the best, and then let headphones have a rest for more than more than an hour. Burn head H-O-N-E-S is delicate. The more delicate the process is, the more the headset can play the potential better.
Now let's open up the earphones, which came in a nice little
that
hard
case
pouch.
is awesome.
And then it also has a little felt pouch. Did you see all the different
I did,
ear
and
sizes?
These are actually, depending on what frequency response you want, you can change out the thinner ones or the thicker ones right here. Okay. Which is really awesome.
So those are dependent on your ear size and then the frequency, stuff like that.
Which is super awesome, guys. Usually you get like 3 sizes with it, but these include all these tips plus the memory foam ones, which is awesome.
That's actually really nice. I didn't think they'd do that on a pouch so small, but it actually has a little netting in it, even with how small this pouch is. So like that's probably for the different earpieces you can put in the little netting.
Right.
And then here are the actual earphones, or earbuds, whatever you want to call them.
Sick.
So it's it's got kind of a clear,
Oh, that's
I don't know
cool.
if you can see that, it's kind of a clear casing on the wires, so you can kind of see the wires in it, but it's like tinted still, so it's not completely clear.
Yeah, it's braided on the inside. A braided cable is
And-
nice.
Yep. So then here are the earbuds themselves. They have like this kind of gunmetal metallic type finish on the like outside part. And then you can see the drivers inside, which are kind of this gold looking finish.
Oh, that's
And,
cool.
Here's the little earpieces that come on it. So you take that off and you can see the actual little speaker itself or whatever.
The mesh covering.
Yeah.
That's so nice. I love how it has
Just
this
put
little
that back
cable
on.
management thing here too.
Yeah,
that you
yeah.
can,
Those are always nice.
Yeah.
So, as Trevor was saying, where it splits from 2 cables to 1, you can use this little thing.
Just kind of
to-
keeps them from getting tangled.
Yeah, exactly. And like if you're gonna put them away, like in your bag or whatever, you can like put that up so that they don't
Dude,
tangle as easily.
The dual drivers look so cool.
Yeah, I know.
Oh
I like
my
the gold
gosh.
finish they did on it, rather than just like silver or something.
That's freaking
It's a
awesome.
nice touch.
Sick.
But then what you
Keys,
have
man.
here is, I believe this has your mic on it, and then it also has this button.
All right, guys. I got
Let's
a
get
quick
some-
announcement for you guys. Carefully into the right headset, rubber headset, Earl Sear, so it completely sealed your ear and feel comfortable, not too deep into the ear. Let the ear feels completely B-type plug. So Aaron is testing it right now. He's listening to some music, some Linkin Park. Rest in peace, Chester. Linkin Park was a huge part of my childhood, and we'll forever love those guys. Oh, Aaron just went full blast, guys. He's going full send right now for the boys. Full send for the boys.
Alright, so first off, initially, I can tell they're very high quality for the price, for sure. And they actually can go really loud,
You should.
and
let me
it's
do a
still
test.
pretty clear. Yeah, here you go.
I'll put my own ear
And
tips
then,
on.
okay.
Guys, never share ear tips with a friend. That's gross. That is wrong and gross.
Yeah, and that's another nice thing about earbuds like this, with different ear tips. You can,
You can swap them and
Swap
trade.
them.
You can even trade them, guys. You can collect them and trade them.
yeah.
Yo, those are sick. The volume gets loud, and it doesn't just stone at full volume either. It stays clean. The bass is like very prominent. It's not too overpowering, but it's still deep and punchy. Dang, I'm actually pretty blown away. I'm gonna test a couple more songs. I roll with my Rolls Royce. It ain't a choice. It's what I do.
It's what I do.
Never thought I'd make it this far. It's what I do. It's what I do.
Drive a $500,000 car.
Drive a $500,000 car.
I roll with my Rolls Royce, it ain't a choice. It's what I do, it's what I do. I have been trying so hard to reach this far to drive a $500,000 car.
I'm impressed. And it's hard to impress me, guys, because I'll tell you what, I'm really picky. For all of you earwax fans out there, clean your freaking ears out. Like, grab a Q-tip, shove the earwax back into your ear canal, make yourself go deaf.
Out of Q-tips, so I've been having to do it with like tissues and stuff.
I prefer to do it with tissues, guys.
It doesn't.
But that's getting too personal for you guys on
It gets
YouTube.
like. All right, so let's resume this test. Light on that here.
Yeah. What's up, man? What is on, man? What's going on, man? Yes.
Yeah, I'm ready to go to the hell behind you. It's your boy Lil Windex. They call me Lil Windex. Shotty. Okay, remember that name. Remember that name. Lil Windex. Shotty. Lil Windex.
I'm serious, guys. Dab right on them. Go up to a stranger and ask them, "Hey, can I dab on you?"
Did you just say
Dab right on them.
Did you just say dive right on him?
No, dab on them, guys.
Dive right
What is he doing, gosh? Dab on them, guys.
All right, we finally got these other ones in.
Tell you what, guys.
So
I'm
these
about
ones
sick and
have-
tired of him. His bull crap. I'm sick of it. Here he is, right there, the man himself. Here's a guy that rolls with his Rolls Royce. It's not a choice. It's what he does. It's what he does. He never thought he'd make it this far and drive a $500,000 car. Aaron's next bass song is a classic. It's called Where to Poop Go by Double A and Cream Krispies. And I'll tell you what, man, that song is bass heavy. Juggalo Riders. If you guys haven't heard the Juggalo Riders, then you guys need to not go listen to them because you're not a fan.
It's gonna be the one living.
He loves every second of it, guys. When those glasses come on, you know that he's ready. My question is though, guys, what is happening right here with his hair? Like, what is going on right there? I don't know. I really don't know. And I'm hoping that we'll find out at some point, but yeah, he knows. He knows we're talking about it. He knows. Here she comes. Aspen! Aspen! Come here. Come here, Aspen. Oh yeah, he's getting into it. Aspen doesn't seem to be too thrilled right now. She's not excited about the earbuds like we are.
Alright, so essentially what it is just single tap to pause or play, double tap to go to the next song, and then triple tap to go to the last song.
Okay, Noodle.
So here.
Call Aaron Elson. There he goes. Oh, you'll have to blur that video. You'll have to blur that number out. Welcome to Google. Welcome to Google. So how do I sound right now?
You sound exactly how you probably would otherwise.
Okay.
Not through like a crappy phone speaker.
Right on. He says that I will sound pretty normal, is what Aaron is saying.
So yeah, if you use like if you pick up a call like on something other than just your normal phone speaker, that's about how it sounds, just kind of without the phone speaker distortion. So pretty good, in other words.
That's a plus.
Yeah.
And obviously, you guys are hearing him right now. He sounds pretty crystal clear. So,
yeah.
Make a sound or something. You heard it here first, folks.
Dirty glass, oh, shut it out, dirty window, clean it now.
But we're gonna call Trevor.
Hello?
Yo.
What's up?
How am I sounding?
Huh?
Somebody picked up?
Yeah.
What did they, wait, what just happened?
That's your number, right?
No, what just happened?
It's not?
What just happened? Dude, this 17-year-old, that was
okay.
my old GadgetWorks
That's
work
put
phone.
in. Oh, that's put in as home.
Dude, that was my old work
Okay.
phone. Somebody actually picked
I didn't
up.
even look when I clicked that, so they're calling back. So. Oh, that's through Google. I'm sure you have that input on like one of your Google accounts.
Actually,
that I
I
have
think
or something.
yeah, exactly. Because I think I used to text you from that work phone on your iPad before you had a cell phone. Remember? Ah. So.
Ooh.